Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manually empty the dustbin on your DREAME Aqua10 roller. Okay, so if you'd like to do it, you can simply get the robot out of the charging station. Then open the top lid, like it's attached with magnets, so it's pretty easy to take it off. And you'll need to remove the... hold on a second.
Paused.
I need to pause it. Okay. And you can remove the dust bin. To do it, there's a little button. You need to pinch it here and take it out. This is a pretty small dust bin. We can pinch the button here, then take the filter out and empty it. So I think that comes off pretty easily. You can also clean the filter that way, or replace it. If you like to clean it, you can just use like a wet piece of cloth or a vacuum or anything to get the filter clean. I wouldn't recommend getting it wet with water, honestly. And then you can put it back in, close it, put the dustbin inside, and close the top lid. So I think that's pretty easy. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.